Hi, welcome to my channel. In this topic, I will talk about how to get customer account merge history. As you know, once you complete the customer merge process, sometimes you need to know the status of this request, of the merge request. You need to know what is the status. Is it merged? Is it completed successfully? Is it not completed? Is it failed? And which customers merged to which customers? And also, once you, for example, joining to a new place or whatever, and you need to retrieve all merged records. So in this video we will talk about this point. And also I received a lot of questions related to this part. First of thing that until now, as per my knowledge, there is no standard ESS job or standard request to retrieve this data. So once you complete or once you finish the customer merge, you just got a request ID through ESS job, through schedule processes. This is only. But what if I joined to a new place or new organizations and I don't know what happened or what customer merged or all of this history or customer merge history? So in this case you need to something to give you the full pictures, the status, the customer A, customer B, is it merged from customer to customer or from for example account to account under the same customer, and so on. First of saying that we have like a table. These tables, either you can build a report or the technical. In case of you need a build report, either just like a query, or you can build it as a report. You can run it from time to time or whatever, or just once you complete it, or whenever you need to retrieve the merged data, so you can run this query. Here, this table, like the ch underscore measure underscore details underscore p, you can find the history of merged object in this table. In these tables there are a lot of field or column, like dedupe header ID, which is equal request ID. Once you complete the merge, the system will give you a request ID. So this column in this table hold this request ID of merge request. To know the status of this request, which you already recently finished or completed, to know the status. Is it completed successfully, completed with the warning, not completed successfully, and whatever. The column record ID is hold the customer account ID. As I told you, you can make merge from customer to customer or from account to account under the same customer. And action type this column under this table, which is if it's merged, if it transferred to surveyor party or survivor party. It's again it's the same party or the same customers hold to account, and you need to transfer the balances, transactions, whatever, from this account under this party to the second account or account number 2. So in this case the action type of this merge will be transfer. But merged means, in the action type merged means it's merging from customer to customers. So again you can take this like a copy. Just navigate to the Oracle, go to tools, it's a very simple query. You can build it just to retrieve the data, to know the status, whatever. Just go to report and analytic, browse catalog, go to create data model. From data model you can select that SQL query, plus here SQL query. You can ask it the like customer merge history, for example. Here data source, it will be Oracle DB FSCM, like financial supply chain. Standard SQL, you can write here SQL like I will select all columns from that table. That's it. Again, okay. So once you retrieve all of the columns of this table, just go to data. Just for example, how many rows you need to view here. Instead of once you can click on view, you can click on table view. Table view, it's like a table. Here what I told you before, that the record ID here, it's request ID. Once you again complete the merge customers, system will give you a record ID. This is a record ID. You can search by whatever, any record ID here. This is survivor ID, which is for the customer account ID, and go to right, you will find the action type here. Action type, is it merged, is it survivor retain, is it merged? Survivor retain means again you merged from count to count under the same customers, and here is it merged or not, is it retain or is it what, transfer from account to account, and so on. So based on that, you can also come back to the data model and just select only, for example, record ID, which is customer account ID, and this also the dub header ID. You can find it here. Sorry, this is the request ID. This is the record ID, which is customer account ID, and this is survivor ID, which is from customer to customers. And this is the action type, and this is the merge status code. As I told you, is it completed, is it not completed, based on the request ID of the merge customer. This is the first point here, that instead of select all of these columns, you can select, for example, record ID and survivor ID and the dub header ID and action type and merge status. Also we can as additional information, created by whom, what is the creation date, what is the last updated date, and this is all of this is additional information which is also very informative for you for the merge detail between customers. So this is the first part. The second part, like how to get history of account merge for HZ underscore cast underscore accounts, which is for HZ parties. Again, this is another table for our parties. Here is customers, so you can select from HZ parties to retrieve, for example, status column, which is hold a value like M means merged for this party or whatever, and there is one also master party ID, which holds the party ID of surviving party. So again, you can take it copy as a table, just come back to our structure diagram, just edit dataset, just remove it and select HZ parties. Again, go to data, select, for example, to record view, then table view, the same concept. And system here that there are column for the status. If you go to right, here you will find again creation date, creation by, last update by, last update login, and what is the party ID, what is the party numbers, party name, the party type, this customer, organization or person or whatever, what is the party unique name, but all of the party information as we know. If you go to right, you will find like a column is a status. If this status hold M means that this customer or this party is merged. This is the status. So you can search by status like M or whatever, because as you see here there are two values like A and I. If this customer is merged, you will find M instead of A. So it means that this party is merged, and the other one is a master party ID, which holds the party ID for surviving party. Go to right, I think it's in the last. This is the master party ID. Again, you can build your query or your technical just to retrieve the data or the data from these columns when the column cell is not null, so it will retrieve all of the customers which is merged, which is still not merged, and from account to account, and which party is merged, which party is still survivor or surviving, and so on. So this is just for how to retrieve the data related to the customer merge. Again, that you can do it from time to time, or you can build it as a query or a report in your Fusion. So from time to time you can run it to check the status. That's it. Thanks for watching.